Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You likely felt a snap, and now your index finger is deformed or very painful. First, stop using the hand and support the finger at heart level to limit swelling. Apply ice through a cloth for 15 to 20 minutes, repeat hourly, and take an over-the-counter pain reliever if appropriate. Next, create a temporary splint using a straight object and soft padding. Secure it without cutting off circulation. Once stable, prepare to move to definitive care promptly. Once the finger is supported, assess circulation and nerve function. Compare color, warmth, and sensation to the other fingers, and check a distal pulse. If circulation is intact and there are no open wounds, pad between the index and middle finger and buddy tape for added support. Use a splint to prevent motion. Keep the hand elevated to control swelling, and do not attempt forceful manipulation or reduction unless you are a trained clinician, because that can worsen damage. Arrange transport to urgent care or emergency. At the emergency department, you will get an X-ray to confirm dislocation and any fractures. A trained clinician will perform closed reduction or refer for surgery if needed. After reduction, the finger will be immobilized in a splint or buddy tape for the prescribed period, commonly 3 to 6 weeks. Then begin guided range of motion exercises with a therapist. Make sure to follow wound care if open, and if you notice increasing pain, numbness, blue color, or
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.